Welcome back, everybody, to Gamble with Jimmy. Today, we're going to play red, black, red, black. Or, I'm sorry, red, black, red, red, black. Red, black, red, red, black. Now, I showed this on the simulator. I did a video just recently on this strategy. I've been playing it at the casino, and I've been winning with it non-stop at the casino as well. So I'm going to show it to you on the real wheel of how well this strategy does. Okay, it's very simple. You can easily make a couple $100. You can play it on any dollar amount that you want. Obviously, if you get in trouble on a low budget buy-in, you know, you're limited to what you can get yourself out of trouble. We're gonna play it on with a $5,000 buy-in. That's what I personally play it at. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with our red. We're on a $5 table, so we're going to put $5 on the red. And we are going to double our bet after every loss. Okay, we're going to start off with a $5 loss. Okay, now we're going to go to the black. Now, the reason why this strategy is a winner, it's just so difficult to lose where you're flopping back and forth like that, because you do have when you have see, we're going to get the win there. Okay, so we're going to get $5 back, and we make a $5 profit, and then now we're going to pocket our profit, and we're going to go. We went red, black, and now we have to go back to red. And we're going to do 2 times on red. So every time, whether you win or you lose, you stay with the same pattern every time. So what the strength is that extra red, red, and then go back to the black. So it breaks up the sequence. Excuse me. You would have to be the most unluckiest person in the world to consistently lose on this. Okay, so we have to go red twice, remember? But this is a winning strategy, guys. I'm averaging between 370, I'd say between like 300 on average every 15 minutes. Okay, so that's $10. That's a 10. So we're going to lose that 10. Okay, that goes to the casino. And that was our second red. So we went red, black, red, red, and now we got to go black, but we got to go $20 on black. And this is the last bet of this sequence, and then it will start over again. So what's cool about it is that when you lose and you're flipping over to black, now black just won. So you're going to catch all of the streaks with this structure, okay? Okay, so the red won, okay? So we're going to lose the 20 there, and now it starts back over to red again. So you're going to go $40 now. Okay, and now guess what? Red just started a run. So now you're coming over on the winning side. The system doesn't know that. You're not following the winner on this system, but you're always going to end up getting an opportunity to get on the winning side that just won. Okay, so we're going to lose this 40, and now we're going to go to 80. Okay. We're going to go 80, but we got to go to black now because red was the first one, and now it goes to black, okay, which, by the way, was the opposite side. So you have yet to have one side win in a row. That's why this is so difficult to beat. It's almost impossible. You're always going to be catching any color that wins 2 in a row. It's hard for colors not to go on any winning streaks. Okay, now that's a double zero. There's nothing you can do about that one. Okay, so the $80 is gone. Okay. Now, we go to red twice. Okay. So we got to go 160 on red. And this is the first one of 2. We got to go back to back red. So now, you would need red to lose 2 times in a row. Man, this system is good. Trust me. You watch. We're going to win. Okay, so there's red 18. Okay, do you see what I'm saying? Okay, so now that's $160 that you're going to get from the casino. Okay, that's 150 and 160. Okay, so you're going to put your money back. You're going to pocket all your money. And guess what? You're going to start right back on the strategy, okay? So that was the second red. So you stick with the last sequence. You're not back on the beginning just because you won. You still stay with the system. And now you're on black, which is the last one before you go back to red and start it over at the top. So you have to pay attention. What I would probably do... Okay, that's 27. Okay, so you're going to lose there. That goes to the house. And now you start the system over, and now you got to go $10 on red. Okay? Which, guess what? Red just beat you. So you need red not to win 2 in a row. Like, the casino needs red not to win 2 in a row. You want red to win, obviously, 2 in a row. And it did. Okay? So that's what I'm saying is that you're always going on a win streak no matter what. You don't have to play the winner. It's naturally going to happen with this idea. Okay? So that was red, black, or was that the beginning one, guys? Yeah, that was the first one. So now we got to go to black. Okay? I have to concentrate here, guys. So red and then black. So this is the second one of the system. The second one. And even if you were to screw up, as long as you get a win, it doesn't matter because the pattern is structured for a reason. Okay, so that's a 5. Okay, we're going to lose this 5. That goes to the casino. Okay, so we had red, black. Now we go to red 2 times. 2 times, and red just beat you. So guess what? The casino would need a color once again to never win 2 in a row. Sooner or later, a color is going to win 2 in a row, which means that you're going to win. Okay, so that's black. So you had a chop, right? You had a chop. Okay, so now you lose that 10, and now you're going to 20, but you have to go to red again because it's 2 reds in a row. Okay, it's 2 reds in a row. You would have to get so unlucky not to win with this, guys, especially if your bankroll's like big enough. You buy it for 5,000 and you're only starting off with a $5 bet. Okay, so that's a red, and boom, you get the win. Okay, and that's it. So that was your second red, right? So it failed to do 2 wins in a row with black, and that's going to happen sometimes. And then sometimes you're going to need, when you're on the other side, you're going to need one side to win 2 in a row. So it just goes back and forth. So now you go to the final one of black, and you're on the very last one of your five colors. Red, black, red, red, black. If this strategy makes us all a ton of money, I'll make some t-shirts up that says it. And I'll put that there. We'll have it on the t-shirt. It'll say red, black, red, red, black. That way you never forget it. You can order a t-shirt and it'll say Gamble with Jimmy. Let's go. All right, so we're going to get the 2, and that's going to pay us $5 from the casino, okay? So now we have to start over back again on the red, all right? And guys, this strategy, I have not lost yet. Knock on wood, I have not lost yet with this strategy, man. I figure you guys are going to really like this strategy. Okay, that's a 14. We're going to make another $5. Now, guys, I realize that this is really tiny betting, but that's fine. This is perfect for a lot of you out there that want to go win $60, man. Get out there and go out there, man. It's Friday night. Let's go. Hit that casino. Okay, that's a 36. We're going to lose, okay, that nickel. Okay, so we went red, black. Now we have to go red, red twice, and we lost that last one, so it goes to 10 on the first red. First red. Here we go. Okay, it's black. Okay, we're gonna lose that $10. And now we stick with the black and we go to $20. I mean, we stick with the red. Yeah, we stick with the red. This is our second red, red. And then after this, we have to go to black. Okay, we're gonna get the win again, and that's $20, okay? So guys, this strategy is awesome. There's really no point in me, you know, calculating how much we won. We obviously know that we won. Where you're gonna make your money, obviously sometimes when you do get tested, you do get on a losing streak. Maybe you lose 7 in a row and you win the 8th one. Maybe it's a breeze. Maybe where you only lose 1 or 2 in a row and then you're always winning the 3rd one. So every session's going to be different. So what I recommend that you guys do is just be smart, don't get discouraged, stick to the plan, and you should do well. Okay, so here's what we'll do. We're going to end it this way. This is how confident I am on this strategy. Okay, we're going to go with the black because we had red. Okay, we didn't finish the last one. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do it in quarter levels as if I'm on a $25 minimum table. We're going to start with that final black just so I can show you how confident I am on this strategy, starting off on a $25 level. Okay, so that's a 3 red. Okay, so we're going to lose that quarter. And now we're going to go to 50 and we start the sequence over on the red. Okay, so guess what? What happens in roulette all the time? Color runs. The red only won 1 in a row. That's it. Or actually, I think that's 2 in a row. Okay, 18 red. I rest my case. We win another $50, okay? And then we would go back and just keep going. So guys, give it a shot. I really approve of this one. This one is really good. It's the way, it's very tricky. It would be, you would have to be so unlucky if you don't win with this strategy. And guys, even if you have that day that you do lose, I want you to use everything that I teach you in your power. When you are having a bad day and you have that weird thing going on where you just have this stream of unluck where this thing every single time just keeps going the opposite, even every time that you're switching over, you're switching back and forth, and this thing's just somehow miraculously going to the opposite every single time. It would suck. It would be rare, but it could happen. So just remember to use your money management skills to recognize that you're having a bad day. Don't give them back all your profits that you've worked so hard for in one bad day. Walk away. It's always easier to overcome a couple $100 loss than it is thousands of dollars on a loss, okay? Also, too, remember, all of the times that you're going to win with this strategy, you're going to build a bankroll. So you're going to be able to do $5,000 buy-ins where it's going to be very, very difficult for that casino to beat you on this strategy with that bankroll starting off with $5. Going to be very difficult for them to beat you. Okay, guys, give me a like. For all you people out there that are watching this that have not subscribed, have already seen me before, you watch all my videos, but you don't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. I need your support. I'm the best gambler I feel in the world when it comes to roulette and craps. I have the best strategies, best gambling channel. I'm not one of those guys, that goes out there and does videos and just does stupid bets just to show you blowing money. That's not me. If you're looking for that guy, there's plenty of gamblers out there that do that, and you get to watch them lose their money. On this gambling channel, I teach you how to win money, not lose money. Thanks for watching, guys, and you guys enjoy your weekend.